Why is Temu so cheap? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what's the reason behind it. So the number one reason is that Temu is able to analyze the user data, and using this they are able to estimate the demand of a particular product. In that way they are able to save the cost of storing inventories and also avoid the wastage of inventory, and this way they are able to save the money and hence products remain cheap. And the second reason is that the cost of labor is extremely cheap in China, as laborers have to work quite hard from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and all the rules and regulations go into the trash while they are working hard, and that's why the products remain cheap. And also Temu has warehouses outside US, and Temu ships all the products at their warehouse before shipping it to the customers, and they don't import the products, rather ship the products to customers, and this way they are able to manipulate the US laws and hence able to keep the products cheap. So these were some reasons behind Temu's cheap products. I hope you like this information. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.